What is good, YouTube? You know what it is. You know where you at. It's your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. And we're going to start things off a little different, but we're going to keep it your regular scheduled program. I got 2 fitted pickups, but again, we're going to do this a little different because this is going to be a special shout out to Liz. Now, I know when Liz did the changeover, you know, we had people jumping out of buildings and just freaking out in the whole nine when Fanatics took over. If you want my honest opinion, and that's what I try to give you, it's definitely still a work in progress and a long way to go because I've picked up since the whole transition process with Lids. I'm still on the fence about redoing my premium membership because they still haven't got all the kinks with that figured out yet. But with that being said, you have some stores following some policies, and some stores following the old policies, some stores following the new policies. And like I said, it's been a process. But with that being said, I'm bringing you this video because I want to do a very, very special shout out to Mr. Trent Boyd from Liz. He went out of his way, and if you've seen him other time, when it was 5950 day for us fitted hat lovers, you know, it just recently passed. A little bit before that and up to the point on 5950 day, a lot of the hat collectors, whether it be just on IG and that don't do YouTube or does YouTube and on IG, a lot of those guys, with the new timeline collection release, a lot of guys were getting gifted hats, and I was one of those people. So again, I've been gifted a lot of things, but this will actually be the first time I was ever gifted a hat. So again, salute, definitely shout out to Mr. Trent Boyd for that. I'm gonna be sharing that in this video, plus another pickup that I picked up personally myself from the timeline collection after seeing it. And actually this pickup I had, I wanna say maybe about 3 weeks ago. I actually picked it up the same time I went out. If you checked out my video for the car show, the Rockabilly car show, I picked it up at that same time when I was out there then. So again, enough of the talk, enough of that being said, we're gonna jump right into it. But I just wanted to give you guys a little background. You know, that's what I try to do, let you know where I'm coming from with it. So again, shout out to Mr. Trent Boyd, shout out to Liz. Definitely appreciate the gift. It was much appreciated because actually it was one of the first in my collection. I actually already posted the fitted on my IG because I wanted to make sure I got it posted up actually once I got it. Because it was funny how you got it out to me. I got it on 5950 days, so that was a big deal too in itself that he got it out to me on the day of. So again, much appreciated. So with all that being said, enough of the hoopla. Let's get right into the hats, man. Come on, let's go. And again, I know you probably like enough of the talk, enough of the backstory. Let's get into the hats. So let's do that. Now, like I said, with most people, I'm pretty sure, like I said, the box was already open because I did actually already post it on my IG. So if you did see it there, you should know what this is already. For most people, like I said, who are getting the hats or just seen it on a lot of the more hat collectors pages, you got the thank you card. And of course, like most people, got it signed, dated 5950 day. So definitely appreciate that. And like I said, you know, just made it a little bit of a bigger deal that you actually got it on 5950 day. But again, I'm just now being able to get this video out, but I'm pretty sure people understand you got life things going on, you got kids going on, then you just got regular work. So, you know, definitely got it out as soon as I was able to. And for the most part, you know, you got your pins, you got your Lids pins, you got your, I don't know why this says 7 1/4. I mean, I'm a size 8, but pretty sure the little things don't really count. And let's get to the fitted. Pretty sure everybody remember their gold foil that came with the fitted, but that's not important. But let's get into it. You got your New York Mets, and when I said it was the first for me, this is my first ever out of everything in my collection, and it's a nice size collection. This is the first New York Mets fitted hat that I've ever had. So you see, you got your New York Mets logo, you got your 1962 to 1980, your timeline on there. You got your timeline gold strap across the side. Now, me personally, I know how people are, you know, kind of indifferent when it comes to the stickers. Me personally, you got your size A sticker there, got your MLB logo there. I will be very carefully moving my size 8 sticker to the front just below the timeline. Like I said, that's just a me thing. I know everybody's different. I'm pretty sure that's a whole nother video for a whole nother discussion when it comes to stickers, because I've heard every side of the argument. And this is the bigger deal of the hat here. You got your gold New Era flag on the side. Now, the one thing that I love about these hats are this leather lining. But I'm going to drop you this tip off too about this leather lining. There's been a lot of people out there saying that it makes the hat feel snug. Now, for any known hat collector or any person who just has a lot of hats, not necessarily a collector, get you a hat stretcher. Because me personally, I tried the hat on. It does fit a little snug. It's a lot more tighter than your average size 8 for me as far as my size. So it will be making a trip to my hat stretcher if I know I'm going to wear it for a long period of time or a prolonged period of time, like basically out somewhere. So, but the quality on that thing is crazy. So, I mean, it was a nice touch in my opinion. You got your gold inlay right there, which pretty much, you know, brings out the timeline series in my opinion. You got your size 8, you got your New Era. But in my opinion, this pretty much sets it apart. There's a lot of time you have a lot of collaborations and you have things outside of the hat, but you have those things that make it stand out. Like, say you have it inside there, MLB Timeline Collection on the leather sweatband. So, like I said, anybody who knows that, definitely get you a hat stretcher. You don't have one, get one. You can't get one, borrow one, but you're definitely going to want to let it sit in there for a little while just to get it out to the size you actually need. So I definitely will be putting mine in there. But again, shout out to Liz and Mr. Trent Boyd for the fitted. I definitely appreciate it. I will definitely be getting a lot of wear out of this. Like I said, it's my first men's hat. I definitely have a lot of kicks with this colorway to match it, so I definitely appreciate it. Shout out to you guys. And I think that was a nice thing to do for the most part, because sometimes you have some people, even when it comes to shoes, I'm big on shoes too, certain people get seated, not everybody. And a lot of people I've seen on Instagram, a lot of people got blessed with these hats for their collection or just for being a loyal fan and being a loyal Liz purchaser and customer. So I think that was pretty cool to them, especially with everything going on with the whole Fanatics thing, for them to just, you know, to reach out and touch base with people and bless them like that. I mean, that says a lot that you do care for your customers, or at least you have some people attempting to, you know, keep that customer base and show your appreciation of that. So like I said, I definitely appreciate it. Shout out to you guys. Now, with my next pickup, this was my own personal pickup. Like I said, I picked this up when I was out there for the car show. It is still the Timeline collection, but this time we're going Boston Red Sox. You got your basic Boston Red Sox logo. This one, personally, well, at the Las Vegas Lids I was at, they only had this one. They had the Dodgers one, which I thought was a little bit plain because it was basically just the LA logo as usual. They had the New York Yankees one, which the only pretty much difference to me was the NY logo was maybe a little bit kind of wider and fatter in my opinion. Now, what made me choose this was the colorway of the hat, and I like the fact that the socks are a little bit different and normal from the average socks that you see on Boston Red Sox hats. So that made me stand out to me. You see you got your 1924, your 1960 on your Timeline base. Of course, got your gold New Era flag, which you do find on most of your Timeline caps. Got your MLB logo on the back. And you got your gold inside inlay with your sweatband. Remember, get you a cap stretcher. And then, of course, like I said, too, got it stamped in there with the Timeline collection. Like I said, to me, dope logo, dope colorway. I like how they got it plastered out with the red on the front with the Red Sox logo in there. Then you cover it off with the navy around there. I think that makes the hat stand out a lot. With the gold flag on there, you're going to get that standing out. Plus, as far as the Red Sox actually on the hat standing out. So, like I said, not bad. As far as, I mean, I'll be honest, me personally, and that's what I like to try to be, I think this is, I mean, to me personally, it's logo-wise, and there's a lot of teams and a lot of logos out there. I think this is one of the better collections they released. As far as just, you know, retroing a lot of the logos out there, I want to still try to get my hands on, definitely a shout out to Major League Hats. He picked up the Oakland A's Timeline version hat. I love the one with the elephant on the baseball. I definitely got to try to see if I can cop that in a size 8. Go ahead, if you haven't already, check out his video. I believe he just released it yesterday, so definitely a shout out to him. And also Trends Unlimited, he released his timeline videos, and actually he was in the actual lid store out in his area and filmed inside the store, which I thought was pretty dope, because sometimes you get a lot of places who don't want to allow you to video in there. So like I told him when I reached out and talked to him, I thought that was pretty dope that they let him do the video inside of the lids. And he picked up a couple of Atlanta timeline fitteds also, so definitely make sure you check his video out too. But yeah, so these are my 2 timeline collections. I will definitely be trying to pick up more in this collection, because like I said, there's a lot of dope logos to be had and to be copped. So I definitely will be doing that. So once again, I want to say shout out to Liz and Mr. Trent Boyd for the New York Mets hat. Personal Boston Red Sox pickup. So that's my 2 timeline pickups for the day. I hope y'all enjoyed them. Hey, let me know down below what you was able to cop, because this is one of those collections, man. Definitely there's something out there for everybody as far as logo wise, colorway wise. So you was able to pick up something, man. Let me know down below what you was able to pick up, what you may be picking up. Because me personally, I have about 2 or 3 more that I have my eyesight on. Hopefully I can just catch them in a size 8, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. I hope y'all like the pickups, man. Thank y'all for watching. If you like what I'm doing, hit that thumbs up. You're not subscribed already, definitely hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more to come, as you see. So with that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Appreciate y'all watching. It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.